The most wonderful bridge in the world. When I was almost finished, I found that the bridge deck was installed upside down. I guess the boss has already cried and fainted in the restroom. In December 2011, on the KK River in Chile, local plan to invest $30 million to build a double-leaf vertical turning bridge. This is also Chile's first open and closed bridge, mainly for the convenience of vehicles on both sides of the strait, without affecting the navigation of cargo ships in the waterway. When both sides of the bridge face each other, both motor and non-motor vehicles can pass through. When there are ships passing through the river, the bridge decks on both sides will open upwards. Wait for the ship to pass before slowly landing and returning to normal. This project was awarded the contract by a Spanish construction company. 2 years later, just as the project was about to be completed, people only realized that one side of the bridge had its deck installed upside down, originally intended to be installed on the land end. It was rotated 180 degrees and installed on a section of the river surface. The head becomes the tail becomes the head. This error directly caused the bridge to remain misaligned after being closed in the middle. And more seriously, half of the non-motorized vehicle lane is on the east side and the other half is on the west side. If you ride a bicycle on top, when you reach the middle of the bridge, suddenly encountering a speeding motor vehicle from across the street. According to insiders, the main reason is that the direction label on this bridge deck was reversed when it was shipped from Spain, and after installation, it cannot be removed and reinstalled. Later, the construction team tried various methods to make up for it, but none of them were effective. Until now, this bridge has never been put into use, but it inadvertently ignited the business of cruise ships in the river. Tourists from all over the world come here to witness this absurdly wrong and wonderful project with their own eyes. So, is there a good way for everyone to restore this bridge to normal?